a quick unboxing of a pen that I just got. I ordered it last week and it's already come all the way from Wales. It is a Rockster Rascal, and it's a new model that Ash has been working on for a while. And I just thought I would get it and give it a go, because I do like my Rockster. So we open up the box like this, empty that out, nice little piece of trash, and in here we have the receipt. There's that box. Now, I don't like to tear tissue because I like to reuse it. I'm one of those people that saves boxes and everything. So Rocksters come in this tube that's ships very easily. Set that aside for now. And we've got, I believe this is the information. So we've got this nice postcard, and it says, "Congratulations and thank you for choosing a Rockster. We know that it will be a faithful companion for many years and hope you find it as enjoyable to use as it was to make." And I know Ash loves to make his pens. He puts a lot of effort and a lot of thought into his pens, and you can just tell by the branding that he does. He takes it very seriously. And this is the Prussian C and Red Acrylic Big Rascal Artisan. Made January or May 28th. So let's save this tissue paper and get right to, oh, and then there we have the nib dip test. I need to ask him what ink he uses. I'm sure it's something. So let's pull this out, set that aside, and let's see what we got here. Yep, look at that. This is the Prussian C material. It won, he had a material contest not too long ago, and the Prussian C material was the one that won. And it is kind of a smoky blue with some white and light blue mixed in. So this pen is a little bit shorter than a standard Daydreamer. And let's see, that's a Daydreamer there. And so this is the standard Daydreamer Artisan. This is the non-clipped. So you can see that there is a small size difference. This is a little thicker here in the midsection in the barrel. And I did get this with a broad. And it's got a nice little red thing with the finial there. And of course the cabochon on the top. And this nice little roll clip, which is a different clip than I have on my other ones. So there you have the Rockster Rascal in Prussian C.